Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a car that doesn't just represent luxury, it redefines it. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre, the brand's first fully electric ultra-luxury coupe, and it's more than just a new model. It's the beginning of a completely new era for Rolls-Royce. The Spectre is the moment where silence becomes the new power, where cutting-edge technology meets centuries of craftsmanship, and where the future of luxury quietly takes shape. When you first see the Spectre, it's immediately clear that Rolls-Royce hasn't compromised a single thing in its transition to electric power. This car doesn't shout about performance or range. It simply exists as a masterpiece of design and proportion. The front end greets you with the unmistakable Rolls-Royce presence. The Pantheon grille, though slimmer than ever before, still commands authority. It's now softly illuminated by LED light strips that outline each vertical slat, giving it a subtle glow at night. Above it sits the Spirit of Ecstasy, redesigned to be slightly lower and more aerodynamic, almost as if she's in mid-flight. The bonnet is long and sculpted, flowing seamlessly into the front fenders, while the headlights, sharp and modern, split into thin LED running lights above and larger matrix units below, giving the Spectre a confident, almost predatory stare. This front end sets the tone, bold, elegant, and futuristic. From the side, the Spectre's profile is all about proportion and grace. Measuring over 5.4 meters long, it's a grand touring coupe that carries its weight with poise. The roofline sweeps gently down toward the tail, creating a perfect fastback silhouette that's both athletic and sophisticated. Massive 23-inch wheels fill the arches, each designed for aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining that unmistakable Rolls stance. The coach doors, rear-hinged and enormous, open wide to create a dramatic sense of arrival. Every single line along the body has been carefully shaped in the wind, tunneled to achieve a drag coefficient of just 0.25, the lowest in Rolls-Royce history. Even the door handles sit flush, and subtle sculpting along the flanks adds a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. From this angle, the Spectre looks like it's gliding forward. Even at rest, a true testament to design precision. Move around to the rear, and the craftsmanship continues. The back of the Spectre is pure minimalism done right. The taillights are slender and vertically aligned, enclosed within polished metal frames that gleam like pieces of fine jewelry. There are no exhaust outlets, of course, just clean, uninterrupted surfaces that celebrate the car's electric nature. The subtle ducktail design of the boot lid gives a hint of sportiness while improving aerodynamic stability at higher speeds. A fine chrome strip runs the width of the rear, adding that final touch of elegance. It's understated yet powerful, a look that says everything without needing to say much at all. Opening the doors and stepping inside. The Spectre is an experience unlike any other. The moment you enter, the outside world fades away. Rolls-Royce cabins have always been sanctuaries, but the Spectre elevates that feeling to another level. The materials are nothing short of exquisite, buttery soft leather, open-pore wood veneers, and hand-polished metal accents everywhere you look. The famous Starlight headliner now extends across the doors and dashboard, surrounding you in a soft galaxy of light. Tiny fiber optic LEDs mimic constellations, and the effect is mesmerizing. Like sitting beneath a private night sky, the technology inside the Spectre is seamlessly integrated, never intrusive. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital display combines traditional Rolls-Royce elegance with modern clarity. The center infotainment screen sits elegantly embedded within the dash and can be controlled through touch or the beautifully crafted Spirit of Ecstasy rotary controller on the center console. The new software interface is intuitive and minimal, with the Whispers app allowing owners to connect their smartphones, control charging schedules, manage navigation, or even contact Rolls-Royce's concierge team directly. But despite the presence of all this technology, the cabin remains calm and timeless. It feels like technology serves the craftsmanship, not the other way around. Every surface inside the Spectre has been tuned for silence. Engineers went so far as to fill the doors with additional insulation, material to achieve the quietest cabin ever created by Rolls-Royce. There's no vibration, no hum, only stillness. Even the sound of the doors closing is an event in itself, a soft, perfectly measured thud that feels luxurious. The seating position is commanding but relaxed, with endless adjustment options and massage functions. The rear seats, despite being in a coupe, are generous enough for two adults to sit in complete comfort. Surrounded by the same level of material quality as the front, now let's talk performance. Because while the Spectre is primarily about comfort and grace, it still delivers astonishing capability. Power comes from a dual-motor electric setup producing around 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. This allows the Spectre to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds, impressive for a vehicle that weighs nearly 3 tons. But what makes it special is how that power is delivered. There's no sudden surge, no aggressive launch, just an uninterrupted, seamless wave of acceleration that feels infinite. The steering is light but precise, and the car glides rather than drives, thanks to the signature Magic Carpet Ride suspension. The air suspension system uses predictive sensors to scan the road ahead, adjusting the dampers and ride height in real time to ensure an unbroken sense of serenity. The Spectre's battery pack gives it an estimated range of about 320 miles on a full charge, depending on driving conditions. Fast charging is supported, allowing a significant recharge in roughly 35 minutes using a high-speed charger. Of course, most Spectre owners will have custom charging setups at home or in their private garages, so convenience is rarely an issue. And since the electric drivetrain eliminates traditional vibrations and noise, you feel a deeper connection to the environment. All you hear is the faint whisper of wind over the mirrors, and the soft hum of the tires. As for pricing, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre starts around $420,000 before customization. But as with any Rolls-Royce, that's just the beginning. Through the brand's Bespoke program, buyers can choose everything from custom paint finishes and unique embroidery to personalized materials sourced from nearly anywhere in the world. It's entirely possible for the price to surpass $500,000 once you begin exploring those options. Yet, what you're really purchasing isn't a car, it's a work of art, crafted to your exact vision. Rolls-Royce doesn't just build cars. They build experiences that reflect who you are. If there's anything to suggest for the future, it would be expanding on digital personalization, allowing drivers to tailor not just the interior ambiance but also the dynamic characteristics of the car. Some might also appreciate a slightly higher performance version, something that still maintains the brand's serenity but adds a sharper edge for those who enjoy spirited driving. A longer range battery could also enhance its usability for cross-country travel, though that's more of a wish than a necessity. The Spectre's existing balance between performance, comfort, and range already positions it as the ultimate electric Grand Tour. At the end of the day, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre isn't just about being the first electric Rolls, it's about showing that the essence of luxury can evolve without compromise. It doesn't try to mimic the sound or sensation of combustion. It creates its own identity, one defined by silence, power, and absolute refinement. Every part of the Spectre feels deliberate, from the way it moves to the way it makes you feel. It's not about chasing speed records or range numbers. It's about redefining what it means to move through the world effortlessly. So, as the Spectre glides away, you can't help but feel that this is what the future of luxury looks like: smooth, silent, confident, and timeless. Rolls-Royce hasn't changed its soul. It has simply electrified it. And that's what makes the 2026 Spectre so special. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you think about this bold step into the electric future. Would you want to experience the Spectre's silence for yourself? Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.